Introducing the Kaizen Waterproof Food Thermometer, an ultra-fast thermometer that takes temperatures in as little as 2 to 3 seconds. Being fully waterproof, washing is a breeze, and with a large and bright LCD screen, it's great for nighttime barbecues. The thermometer has the ability to hold temperatures for easy readings. With the calibration function, accuracy can be ensured. Follow local or international recipes easily by toggling temperatures to Fahrenheit or Celsius. The thermometer features a battery-saving auto-off function after 10 minutes. A retractable probe makes it easy to store, or simply hang it up with a built-in magnet. Cook like a pro every time with the Kaizen thermometer.
This paper actually helps you to find a good spot to install the shelf on your wall. Also, it's very easy to get the shelf ready to put up. All you have to do is unfold the metal frame like that and then place the boards where they go, and you can choose where you want it. I actually decided to leave my shelf standing right there. Since it's hexagonal, it can just fit on a flat surface, and it's worked really nicely for me to display the things that I've wanted to in my living room. I chose to use mine to decorate, but you can also use yours for storage. So this would work perfectly in like your bathroom or in your kitchen to organize things and also just get things off of the counter. The metal brackets are very sturdy and can bear the weight of what you want to put on it. I would recommend this item to you if you have anything that you want to display, or if you have anything that you want to organize a little bit better. It also makes a great gift.
Get your favorite recipes just right every time with the magnetic measuring spoon set from Spring Chef. This set is beautifully constructed from solid stainless steel with a sleek look. No rusting or bending. And never mess with a finicky ring again. This set nests together magnetically for easy compact storage. Plus they lay flat on the counter. No more spills. The set includes all the sizes you need with dual-sided scoops, perfect to handle spices or liquids. The measurements are labeled large and clear with both US and metric, making it easy to cook up dishes from all over the world.